Okay.
Hello everyone, this is James from China Alloy Company. We are the manufacturer of fiber optical tools. Today I will introduce our ALK-7000 OTDR. Now follow me to check the OTDR bag and OTDR parts. We can see the OTDR at first. It with 7-inch touch screen. And celebration test report and the OTDR packing list. The OTDR bag. This belt used for your outside work. This belt supposed to adjust the length. Have two different use way, such as this, and then another. Adjust this this way. And the OTDR handle, we can hand the OTDR but this way. The OTDR outside lighting, when you work at outside or down. The OTDR charger. Charge for the OTDR. OTDR U-desk. We can use this to transfer the OTDR test report. OTDR touch pen. We can operate the OTDR by your finger or this touch pen. And the connector cleaner. Use this to clean the OTDR connector. And now we all know the OTDR parts. Please follow me to check the OTDR functions. This OTDR is multi-functions OTDR. The first one, OTDR function. This OTDR is supposed to wavelengths test together, and they adjust data. This is supposed to change the cable ID, fiber ID, and another, and the event map. And the OPM function. Light source function, wavelength change. So VFL function. And the maintenance. By this self-test, we can see this OTDR working situation, the battery working, and the other parts. Now we already know the OTDR all details. If you have any questions, please contact with us. Bye bye.